Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to do something a bit different, and that is because I'm having a bit of a delay with some new tech coming from China. So it's sunny outside and I thought, what the hell? I might as well start up my own little grow your own veg project. So yes, when I was doing my essential shopping, I picked up this £20 PVC walk-in greenhouse. So I managed to pick it up from a home bargain store, which is a home store here within the UK. So it does come in just under $30, and it is described as being good for planting and growing vegetables, which is perfect for what we need. It does reach around 6 foot in height when it's fully well built. Oh, so I hope so. It better have. But yes, it is certainly different than most of my tech or toy reviews that I usually do on my channel, and I just only hope it will be a quick build. So let's crack on. So inside the box, yes, we do get 4 different size poles. We have 4 thin wired shelves, a whole bunch of different shaped brackets, including string support hooks to keep it in place when it's windy. There's also a plastic see-through cover, which I think does have a zip door. And yes, we get simple instructions. So let's get to it and let's build ourselves a little greenhouse. Ooh. So the first thing to do, guys, is you need to find your designated area. So we're going to place it today on this concrete, even though the support pins are going to be a bit of a tricky one at the end. Oh well, it is perfectly placed for where we need it just now. So let's crack on and let's get the first layer going. So yes, everything is straightforward, guys. You just basically have to follow the image on that printed instruction page. Oh, there is none. We just put these L shapes in for no reason. These are wrong. Oh. Damn it. But if you've laid everything out, everything should be quite simple, and you should really get this done within the hour.
Did you fall over?
I fell. So as you can see, guys, we've got the first layer done just now, with a bit of messing about in between. As you can see, the first part was alright. We got a few brackets wrong. We had to swap them over, you know, rushing into it, thinking we can get it done in 30 minutes. Not the best option. I am impatient. So now we're on to the second layer. You can see the shelving fits on nice and easy. And yeah.
Quite cool.
Like the hard work's going to be paying off real soon, and we've got the third layer going on, and it's going great so far. Not many mistakes, but one thing I would note, guys, make sure all the poles are pushed into the brackets very securely. This will indeed keep it secure, especially when it's windy. And we got a bit of lightsaber action going on, and it's going ahead swimmingly. Ooh, swimmingly. So now we got the top in place, and she actually reached the top. No. And there we go. Next thing we need to do is, yes, put that cover on. So the see-through cover is, well, fairly easy, even though I've got the door to the left-hand side. So let me just adjust that. So yeah, it's now in place. Everything's tied down, and we're going to actually secure it a bit more. Now, because I built this on concrete, you may want to put it on grass. That might be fine, because it will be easy to put those anchor pins in the ground. It looks like I'm going to have to come back to this later on, drill some holes and pin this down securely, because a better wind comes up and it's going to be doing Wizard of Oz style, especially when the wind picks up. Well, yeah, we secured it as best as we could, and as we're putting the plants in, I must say, it's not too bad, to be honest. Okay, it is a bit rocky. I mean, it is £20 after all. So once the plants are in, it does add a bit more security to it. I mean, if the wind does pick up, I can honestly see this greenhouse having a bit of a problem, to be honest. As it is, we've got our vegetable seeds in. So we're going to be growing tomatoes, onions, chilies, potatoes, and a bit of basil. So yeah, a bit of a project. But should I do my rating out of 10? I mean, yeah, if I was to rate this greenhouse out of my usual rating, which I usually do on tech, out of 10, I mean, I'm going to give it a 7. It is budget after all, and I can't see it lasting more than 2 or 3 years, but it will do just for now. So this is my project done for now. My next project is an update to see if these vegetables actually grow, or if that silly little cat gets in the garden that likes to smash things up all the time. But yeah, guys, that's the video. It is different. I don't usually do videos like this. But yeah, guys, I hope this video helped today. If you want one of these, go down to your home bargain store here in the UK. They do sell them for £20, which is pretty good considering, because in Argos, I think they're around £30 to £40 for a 6-foot greenhouse, just like this one. But yeah, guys, please, please, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe. Making sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I hope this review helped today in some way. You know, get growing your potatoes and get growing your chilies and whatever. And hopefully we'll do some more fun stuff. So, hope to see you guys on my next video coming real soon. So stay tuned for that. Stay safe and well, peace!